Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I have brought for you this Ant Esports MK730 combo. You get a keyboard and mouse. Let's unbox this. So first I have got this keyboard. You can see. In black color keyboard is there and back side, and here you get USB dongle, and here is a stand like this, and here is on off button, and next we have this mouse. You can see in black color is mouse there, and a DPI button, left right buttons, and here is on off button, and here is a charging port. This is a charger, and keyboard, the build quality is good, and mouse quality is average. This is made for plastic. Let's check the keyboard and mouse. So I have connected this keyboard and mouse connect with this USB dongle. So let's play any game and test the keyboard and mouse. So I have checked the keyboard and mouse. This is very good. So let's type and check the keyboard. So keyboard is working good. So let's check the mouse. So I will back in next video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.